Okay, this is just a quick tutorial on how to navigate Canvas to help you be successful. From the home page, for example, we're currently working in Standard 2. It's highlighted up here in green. If you click on Standard 2, there's really two directions you can go. There's Standard 2 lesson material. That's where you go, where I give you the lessons or the material that's helpful for your learning. And then there's the evidence page. That's where you provide me with evidence that you're learning. So those would be more like assignments and assessments. You can also access the Standard 2 evidence page by clicking on modules right here. So for example, if we go to Standard 2 lesson material, everything is done or organized by the date that it was taught, and it includes the concepts or skills that are listed in the study guide. So you see here, period 5, chapter 5, section 1 lesson. Those are the lesson notes, and that's where you would go if you were struggling on any of those BLEs to be able to review and access those notes. Also, the textbook can be accessed directly in Canvas, right in your blue menu toolbar over here by clicking on Teach TCI. You can also check out a paper copy of the textbook from the Media Center if you need one to have at school or at home or whatever you need. The evidence page, when we go to Standard 2 evidence, that's the evidence that you show me that you're learning the material. So things like your BLEs are there. There's also extra practice. That's a good place to go if you're going through a BLE and you're having trouble understanding it. Again, you can go to those practices. You should be doing those practices to help you understand and learn the material. Just please see me if you have questions. Thank you.